In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an Excel report in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace, then select My Forms. Find the form you want to create a report for and check the box next to it. Click Reports at the top of the page, then select Add New Report. Choose Excel report from the available report types. Enter a name for your report so it's easy to identify later. Next, select the form fields you want to include in the Excel report. Choose only the data that's relevant to your reporting needs. If needed, open report configurations to customize additional settings such as formatting and export options. You can also enable password protection if you want to secure the exported report with a password. Once everything is configured, click Create. Jotform will generate your Excel report, which you can download, share, or use for further analysis in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. That's how to create an Excel report in Jotform. Thanks for watching.